Software testing plays an important role in the development of any software product. It ensures that the software meets the user requirements and does not contain bugs that may cause problems in the functioning of the system. Therefore, it is vital for any software development team to have an effective testing process. Writing an effective resume for a software testing role is essential to securing a job in this field. This guide will explain how to create a successful resume and showcase your skills as a software tester. The first step when writing your resume is deciding which format to use. The most popular formats are chronological, functional, and combination resumes. Chronological resumes are structured according to work experience, while functional resumes focus on your skills and accomplishments. Combination resumes use both formats and allow you to highlight both your skills and experience. As a software tester, your technical knowledge is essential for success in the job. Therefore, it is important to include all relevant technical skills in your resume, such as programming languages, databases, and test automation tools that you are familiar with. Additionally, you can also include any certifications or qualifications related to software testing, such as ISTQB certification or Six Sigma White Belt certification if applicable. When presenting your work experience on your resume, you should include the company name and dates worked, along with details about each project that you were involved in during your tenure there. Be sure to mention any tasks that required technical knowledge, such as debugging or troubleshooting systems or writing test plans/cases, as this will demonstrate your skill as a software tester. If you have any awards or recognition received during this period, be sure to mention these too. They will help set you apart from other applicants. A great way to stand out from other candidates when applying for a software testing role is by highlighting key achievements throughout your professional career. Any successes within previous roles, such as finding bugs or improving processes, should be included on the resume, as they demonstrate that you can take initiative and contribute positively to the team's success. You can also add details about how long it took for certain tasks to be completed or how many bugs were found, which shows employers that you possess keen problem-solving abilities too. Communication plays an important role when working on any type of project, especially software projects, which requires extensive collaboration between teams and stakeholders alike. Make sure that experiences related to communication, such as managing stakeholders' expectations or working collaboratively with other departments, are included on the resume. This will show employers that you possess excellent interpersonal abilities, which are necessary for success in this field. It's not just technical knowledge and experience which matters when applying for a software testing role. Soft skills also play an important part too. Soft skills such as attention to detail, problem-solving abilities, critical thinking skills, and being able to work independently, amongst others, are all valuable traits needed by employers, so make sure they're clearly visible on the resume too. In addition to creating a compelling resume, it is also beneficial, and sometimes required, for applicants to prepare a cover letter alongside their application documents, which further explain why they would be suitable for the position they're applying for. In this case of software testers, tailor each letter specifically towards the company/project being applied for, so that it stands out from other applications. Make sure all relevant information, technical knowledge/skills, achievements/awards, etc., are included in both documents, so employers gain an accurate understanding of who you are professionally speaking. Writing an effective resume for a software testing role requires strong attention to detail, along with showcasing relevant technical knowledge and experience alongside soft skills like problem-solving abilities and communication aptitude. By following the steps above, applicants can create effective resumes tailored specifically towards their desired role, which increases their chances at securing employment in this field significantly. Good luck, and we hope this guide was useful. Software testing is an important and indispensable part of software development. It is a systematic approach to ensure that software applications are functioning correctly and that they meet the intended requirements. Software testing is a key step in the software development process that is critical for producing high-quality applications. Software testing work experience can be a valuable asset to have on your resume and can help you land a job in the software industry. Employers often look for experience in this field, as it shows knowledge of how to debug, test, and validate software applications. Here are some tips on how to include this experience in your resume. 1. Detail your experience. when describing your software testing work experience on your resume, you want to provide details about the tasks you completed and any results or successes you achieved. Describe what type of tests you performed, such as unit tests, system tests, or acceptance tests. Provide information about the tools and technologies you use for testing, such as static analysis tools or automation frameworks. Include metrics from automated tests such as test coverage, test execution rate or defect rate reduction achieved through your testing efforts. 2. Show results. Employers want to know that your testing efforts have produced measurable results, so include any relevant metrics from automated tests such as number of defects found and fixed over time or improved test coverage achieved during regression cycles. Showing results helps employers understand how well you performed during previous testing roles, demonstrating why they should hire you for their next project. 3. Explain your role. Make sure to clearly explain the roles you played in previous software testing projects and any problem-solving techniques used when debugging issues in production systems. Describe any team lead roles held where you managed other testers or contributed to team success through mentoring activities or knowledge-sharing sessions with other members of the team. 4. Highlight certifications. If you've completed any certifications related to software testing, then make sure to add them to your resume so potential employers will recognize your expertise in this field more quickly than if they had only read about it from a job description summary alone. 5. Reference projects. If possible, provide references from previous projects where available so employers can get insight into how well you performed within those projects directly from people who worked with you at those companies previously, example managers or technical leads. This can give potential employers an edge when deciding whether they should hire you for their next project, since they know exactly what type of work ethic and results will be produced by someone with similar experience levels as yours, e.g., John completed Project X within time frame Y using technique C. By including software testing experience on your resume in an informative way that highlights both technical achievement and problem-solving skills acquired throughout previous positions held within this sector, potential employers will be able to quickly identify why hiring someone with similar experience levels would benefit them greatly on their next project. Welcome to the world of software testing. Software testing is an important role in the development of any software. It requires a unique set of skills and capabilities that are essential in order to ensure that the software performs as desired. In this video, we will be discussing the skills required for a software testing role. First and foremost, a successful software tester must have excellent problem-solving and analytical skills. This means being able to identify and address issues quickly and efficiently. They must also have an in-depth knowledge of the development process, as well as being able to thoroughly test any new features or changes made to existing features. They should also have strong communication skills, so that they can effectively communicate their findings with stakeholders. Software testers must also be able to accurately document their findings, which includes creating detailed reports on tests conducted and bug reports when required. They should be comfortable with using different tools and technologies such as bug tracking systems, test automation frameworks, and scripting languages. Additionally, they should have a good understanding of various types of testing such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, and user experience (UX) testing. In addition to these technical skills, soft skills such as attention to detail, ability to work independently without supervision, time management, collaboration, flexibility, perseverance, self-motivation, resilience, ability to work under pressure, good interpersonal skills, effective communication, etc., are also important for a successful software tester role. Finally, it is important for a software tester to stay up to date on industry trends by reading relevant blogs or attending conferences related to technology or software development. By doing so, they can keep abreast of new tools and techniques that could improve their performance or help them find problems more quickly than before. We hope you enjoyed learning about the key skills required for a successful software testing role. To master this skill set, you will need dedication and knowledge in all areas discussed here today. But if you dedicate yourself, you will be well prepared for success in this vital field.